If you are waiting for a miracle to change your life, I need you to hear this truth right now. No one is coming to rescue you. No one is coming to carry you. And the moment you accept that responsibility is yours, power returns to your hands. There comes a moment in every human life when illusion must die so purpose can live. And one of the most dangerous illusions ever sold to humanity is the belief that someone else is responsible for the rescue of your destiny. From childhood, you were conditioned to wait. Wait for permission, wait for approval, wait for opportunity, wait for rescue. And that waiting has quietly stolen years of your potential. No one is coming to save you. Not because life is cruel, but because you were never designed to be saved. You were designed to be sent. The greatest tragedy is not failure, it is dependency. When a person waits for another to validate their worth, they have already surrendered authority over their life. You were not created to be maintained by external forces. You were created with internal governance. Everything you need to fulfill your assignment was placed inside you before you ever needed it. That is why help often does not arrive, because the solution is not external, it is internal. Rescue never comes when purpose is present, because purpose demands responsibility. Many people pray for deliverance while ignoring instruction. They cry out for intervention while refusing discipline. They want escape from consequences without understanding the laws that produce them. Life responds not to your wishes, but to your obedience. You do not rise because someone lifted you. You rise because you aligned yourself with principles that cannot fail. The universe is not impressed by desperation. It responds to order. And order begins when you accept that your life is your responsibility. When you finally realize that no one is coming, something powerful happens. Fear loses its authority. Excuses lose their credibility. Blame loses its voice. You stop looking around and start looking within. You stop waiting for doors to open and start building walls, foundations, systems, habits. You understand that the greatest enemy of your future was not opposition, it was passivity. You were never meant to be a spectator in your own destiny. You were born carrying an assignment, not a request. The moment you were released into the earth, time started demanding a return on your existence. You owe the world the manifestation of what was deposited in you. That means your potential is not personal property, it is public responsibility. Every day you delay growth, someone suffers from what you refuse to develop. Every day you hide, the world is robbed of a solution that only you can provide. No one is coming to motivate you. Motivation is temporary. Discipline is permanent. No one is coming to push you. Growth requires self-propulsion. No one is coming to believe in you. Belief is a decision, not a gift. You must wake up every day and command your mind to align with your purpose. You must tell your emotions they are not in charge. You must inform your past that it has no voting rights in your future. Most people want change without transformation. They want new results with old thinking. They want harvest without cultivation. But life is governed by laws, not emotions. If you violate the law of preparation, you disqualify yourself from the law of reward. Success is not a miracle, it is managed obedience. Greatness is not luck, it is alignment. And alignment begins when you stop asking who will save you and start asking who you are becoming. You cannot outsource responsibility for your life. Parents can raise you, but they cannot fulfill you. Leaders can inspire you, but they cannot execute for you. Mentors can guide you, but they cannot walk your path. At some point, every human being must stand alone before their purpose and decide whether comfort or calling will dominate their choices. That decision determines the quality of your legacy. Waiting is expensive. It costs time, and time is the only currency you cannot replenish. Every season you miss does not come back. Every opportunity ignored does not reschedule itself. Life does not pause because you are afraid. Time moves forward, either with you prepared or with you regretting. The cemetery is full of people who are waiting for the right moment. The right moment responds to preparation, not hope. You were designed with creative capacity, not survival instincts. You were not created to just cope with life, but to command it through understanding. That means you must educate yourself beyond comfort. You must stretch your thinking beyond tradition. You must outgrow environments that no longer challenge your capacity. Growth demands separation. Elevation demands discomfort, and maturity demands that you stop expecting others to carry what was assigned to you. When pressure comes and no one shows up, that is not abandonment, that is activation. Pressure reveals purpose. Resistance exposes strength. Isolation clarifies identity. Some of the most defining moments of your life will happen when it is just you and the responsibility of becoming who you were designed to be. Those moments are not meant to break you. They are meant to introduce you to yourself. You cannot complain your way into purpose. You cannot blame your way into destiny. You cannot wish your way into impact. The world does not reward intentions, it rewards execution. And execution requires courage, consistency, and conviction. Courage to begin, consistency to continue, conviction to persist when results are invisible. That is why few fulfill destiny, because most people quit in the invisible stage. You must stop asking for rescue and start embracing responsibility. Responsibility is not a burden, it is proof of authority. The moment you take ownership of your life, you reclaim power. Power over your decisions, power over your habits, power over your future. And that power was never meant to come from outside. It was placed within you as evidence that you were trusted with an assignment. No one is coming to save you because you were never meant to be saved from your purpose. You were meant to rise into it, grow into it, and mature into it. The same hands you are waiting for were given to you. The same mind you repraying for was already installed. The same strength you are asking for is activated when you decide that your life is no longer negotiable. The moment you stop waiting, life responds. The moment you take responsibility, clarity comes. The moment you move, provision appears. Not before movement, but because of it. Destiny does not respond to comfort. It responds to commitment. And commitment begins when you finally accept the truth that no one is coming to save you, because the one who can change everything has been present all along, waiting for you to stand up, take ownership, and become accountable to the purpose that demanded your birth. That accountability is not something you negotiate with comfort or postpone until conditions are ideal. It is a daily demand placed on your choices, your priorities, and your use of time. Every morning you wake up, life asks you a question without words. Will you honor what was placed inside you, or will you betray it again for convenience? Purpose is patient, but it is not passive. It will wait, but it will also withdraw its sense of fulfillment when ignored. That emptiness many people feel is not depression. It is unused purpose crying for expression. You were never designed to be driven by circumstance. Circumstances are temporary, but purpose is eternal. When you allow situations to dictate your attitude, you reduce yourself to a reactionary existence. But when you understand why you were created, circumstances become raw material, not obstacles. Pressure refines focus. Opposition sharpens clarity. Delay builds endurance. Nothing in your life is random when you are purpose conscious. Most people misunderstand struggle. They think struggle is a sign they are on the wrong path, when in reality, struggle is often confirmation that you are moving in the right direction. Any teaching valuable resists extraction. Gold does not sit on the surface. Oil does not announce its location. Potential is hidden, and resistance is the cost of uncovering it. If everything were easy, everyone would be great. Difficulty is the filter that separates the committed from the curious. You must stop romanticizing rescue and start respecting process. Process is the classroom of purpose. It teaches patience, precision, and perseverance. You cannot skip it without damaging your capacity to sustain what you desire. Many people reach positions they are not prepared to maintain, and they collapse under the weight of what they prayed for. Preparation is protection. Development is defense. Growth is not optional. If longevity matters, your greatest responsibility is not success, it is growth. Success is a byproduct of alignment, but growth is a choice you must make daily. Growth demands that you unlearn limiting beliefs, confront internal resistance, and challenge inherited mindsets. You cannot fulfill a future with an outdated identity. At some point, who you were must die, so who you are becoming can live. Transformation is uncomfortable because it requires honesty, and honesty exposes weakness before it produces strength. No one is coming to save you from the consequences of your own neglect. What you refuse to discipline today will demand payment tomorrow. Life always collects its debts with interest. Discipline is not punishment, it is training for freedom. When you discipline your mind, you gain clarity. When you discipline your habits, you gain momentum. When you discipline your time, you gain direction. Freedom is not the absence of structure, it is the mastery of it. You cannot afford to be casual about your calling. Casualness produces mediocrity, and mediocrity is an insult to creation. You were not designed to blend in. You were designed to stand out by contribution, not attention. Impact is louder than applause. Legacy is deeper than popularity. What you build in silence will eventually speak for you, but only if you commit to consistency when no one is watching. Stop waiting for affirmation. Validation is internal before it is external. When you know who you are and why you exist, applause becomes unnecessary. You do not need permission to become what you were designed to be. Authority is inherent in purpose. The moment you discover your assignment, you inherit responsibility to act on it. Hesitation is often disguised disobedience. Your environment will test your resolve. Familiar voices will question your change. Old relationships will resist your growth because your elevation exposes their stagnation. Not everyone can go where you are going. And that is not arrogance. It is alignment. Separation is not rejection. It is preparation. You cannot carry excess weight and expect to run efficiently. Purpose demands focus, and focus requires letting go. You must learn to manage disappointment without surrendering direction. Not every effort will produce immediate results. Not every sacrifice will be rewarded quickly, but nothing invested in purpose is ever wasted. Seeds grow in darkness before they break ground. If you quit because you cannot see progress, you will never experience harvest. Vision allows you to endure invisibility. Responsibility means you stop blaming systems, people, and circumstances for your stagnation. You may know control what happened to you, but you control what happens through you. Maturity begins when excuses end. Empowerment starts when accountability replaces complaint. You cannot complain your way into a new life. Complaining is passive protest against personal responsibility. Your life is speaking even when you are silent. Your habits preach louder than your words. Your discipline teaches more than your declarations. What you repeatedly do is what you truly believe. If you believed in your purpose, your schedule would reflect it. If you believed in your future, your decisions would protect it. Belief without action is self-deception. You were created to solve a problem, not escape one. Every gift exists to meet a need. When you ignore your gift, the need remains unmet. The world does not need more spectators, it needs contributors. Contribution is the highest expression of purpose. It is where fulfillment lives. Fulfillment is not found in consumption. It is found in giving what only you can give. There will be moments when you feel alone, unsupported, and misunderstood. Those moments are not signs to retreat. They are invitations to deepen conviction. Vision often isolates before it unites. Leaders are forged in solitude before they are celebrated in crowds. If you cannot stand alone with your purpose, you will crumble under the weight of influence. You must train yourself to move without emotional confirmation. Emotions are indicators, not commanders. If you wait to feel ready, you will never begin. Readiness is produced by movement, not the other way around. Courage does not eliminate fear, it overrides it. Action silences doubt faster than thinking ever will. No eye coming to rescue you from your procrastination. Delayed obedience is disobedience disguised as planning. You already know what to do. Clarity is rarely the issue. Execution is. You are not confused, you are cautious. And caution, when it becomes chronic, turns into regret. Regret is the most expensive emotion because it pays for opportunities that no longer exist. Your future is responding to what you do today, not what you intend to do tomorrow. Intentions do not impress time. Time responds only to action. Every day you either move closer to your purpose or further away from it. Neutral does not exist. Stagnation is silent regression. You were not created to be managed by fear. Fear is a signal that growth is near. If fear disappears, it often means you stop stretching. Expansion always challenges comfort. Comfort is a poor indicator of correctness. Many people are comfortable and completely off course. Purpose does not consult comfort, it demands commitment. You must become serious about becoming whole. Healing is part of responsibility. Unhealed wounds distort vision. Pain you refuse to confront will control decisions you don't understand. Responsibility means you do the internal work, so your external work is not contaminated. Wholeness increases capacity. Clarity increases effectiveness. Life is not waiting to see what you will become. It is already responding to what you tolerate. Standards determine outcomes. When you raise your standards, your life must adjust. When you accept less, life delivers less. You teach the world how to treat you by what you allow and what you correct. No one is coming to save you from the weight of becoming. That weight is not meant to crush you, it is meant to shape you. Responsibility matures you, pressure develops you, and commitment positions you for fulfillment that cannot be taken away. Purpose does not expire, but opportunities do. And the greatest tragedy is not failing, but never fully engaging with what you were born to do while you still had time to do it.